You got to realize that this is a losing game. Drug dealers don't have pensions. They don't end up with retirement funds. They end up dead or wishing that they were.
Okay, I reloaded. Is this what you want?
There's police on these ghetto streets and freaks on these ghetto streets, plus fiends on these ghetto streets who scheme on these ghetto streets. The youngest started selling green and then progressed to white and B. Watch the money coming in quicker than it's ever been. Breaking off Mummy P, knowing that it came from sin. He parked the drugs off inside of the wheels of the wheelie bin. So if his yard gets raided, you know he ain't got nothing on him. Mummy had to lie for him, every night she cries for him, cause she knows these UK streets can be stifling. There's murders and there's kidnappings, or armed robberies. Yeah, where the armed robbers running in demanding the peas again. When the gang member sees his ops, they show them what's happening. He's got the tool inside his Mac with him, and he ain't afraid to slap the ting. Laughing out, I'm practicing. Shouting out, Facio, don't come back around again unless you like the sound of skeng. Don't come back around again unless you like the sound of skeng. Wada deng, wada deng, wada deng, wada deng, the sound of skeng. Wada deng, I might put you on the news at 10. Wada deng, wada deng, wada deng, the sound of skeng. Wada deng, I might put you on the news at 10. Wada dem, how I do them, wada dem. Jeez. I said, how I do them, come on. Hey, every day, block Captain. Jeez. Keep on doing it again and again, and we won't stop. RTN L Volume 311.